Welcome back. So let us go to the critical thinking skill. So this is the super hot skill. If you learn it properly, whatever you touch will turn into gold. So what is critical thinking? It is ability to reflect, not easily convinced. So it is listening, reading, talking, but asking the right questions. The ability to think in a reasoned way. Okay, so critical thinking is simply like going to the source of information, whether it is genuine or not. So finding that source and then coming up from there. What are the meanings of critical thinking? It is objective thinking, impartial observation, always thinking from an objective point of view and being impartial. It is also about accepting not accepting viewpoint of face value. Like if a Nobel Prize has said something, Nobel Prize winner, so we should not accept that until unless we know the source of um, what is the source of this information. It is going from complexity to simplicity, making things simple like Apple products. You need to make things simple from complexity to simplicity. It is constant questioning, okay, reaching to the why. Like, for example, children ask questions to us. So we answer them, then they will again ask why, till the time they reach to the actual source. So that is the meaning. Let's go to the critical thinking skills reflection. So it's been critical about others people's view. It has been critical about their ideas, not their clothes. We need to be critical about their ideas. It's all about ideas, not clothes and appearance and all. Like going deep into the actual idea, the actual source of idea. So critical thinking skills are higher order thinking skills. Like creation is the highest order thinking skill. Like create, you have to create, design, plan, invent. These are the highest skills when you create something. That's why it takes energy, it takes a lot of diligence. You have to really understand things. So then evaluation is the like it is the second level. uh, this hypothesis, critique, judge, test, detect, the evaluation part of critical thinking. So then it is the second highest. First is creation, create. Second is evaluate. Third is analyze. Analyze, compare, organize, deconstruct, outline, integrate. This is the third highest. Fourth highest is apply, implement, carry out, use, execute. So, and then understand, interpret, summarize, paraphrase, classify, compare, explain, exemplify. So this is fifth level. Number one is create, second is evaluate, third is analyze, fourth is apply, fifth is understand, then sixth is retrieve, locate, find, recognize, describe, name, list. So remember, okay, these are lower level thinking skills. Remember, understand, and then it goes to higher level. Apply, analyze, evaluate, create. These are higher level, these are lower level. So this is how like critical thinking skills are very important in every field, wherever you are, whether you are at home with family, outside in work, working in projects, everywhere they are very important. A model to generate critical thinking is description: what, when, who, where. You need to ask these questions. Analyze: why. You need to ask this question. Evaluate: how, what, if, so what next. You need to ask these questions for evaluation. Description: you need to ask what, introductory, background information, contextualize, problem, topic. You need to ask about the questions. What is this about? You need to ask what is the context of situation, what is the main point, problem, topic, or like to be explored. All these things. Where does it take place? Who is involved, who is affected, who might be interested, when when this occur. So it's all about like the definition. We've understood it in definition that it is asking the right questions. These are the questions which you need to ask. You need to ask, analyze, evaluate, description, where you have to do all these things, so you will develop critical thinking skills. What are the benefits of like critical thinking? Everyone whosoever learns any subject wants to be like, they want to know what are the benefits. So like it is key for career and success. Critical thinking is a crucial for many career paths. According to the World Economical Forum, the critical thinking is one of the most desirable skill to have in the workforce. It helps analyze information, think outside the box, solve problems with innovative solutions, plan systematically. So it is very crucial skill. Okay. Better decision making. It helps you to make decisions, better decisions. It helps you to uh, it will make you happier. Deep understanding of why you think the way you think can really make you happier. So it makes you happier. Uh, Form well informed opinions. You will make right decisions. Better citizen. You will be better citizen. You will improve relationships because you will know actual cause of any problem which is occurring in relationships. Promote curiosity. You will be more curious. Always allows for like creativity. You will be more creative. You will know a lot of ways to solve the problem when you know what is the problem, what is the source of the problem. Enhance problem solving skills. When you know the problem, you will solve the problem. So you will like it will enhance your problem solving skills. And activity for the mind. It is an activity for the mind. Create It creates independence, interdependence, and crucial life skills. Like crucial, it is like it. Critical thinking is crucial, not just learning, but for life overall. Education is not just way to prepare ourselves for the life, but it is pretty much life itself. So learning is a lifelong process that we do through each and every day. So it is very crucial. So we if so when we learn the skill, critical thinking skill, so you will think like a scientist, and whatever you do, it will turn into a goal. How to think critically? You need to define your questions. You need to generate reliable information, ask the right questions, look at short term and long term um, consequences of both the, and explore all sides, think 360, so that you can like you will develop critical thinking skill, and you will think critically. How to how is critical thinking developed? It is developed, critical thinking is developed in nearly everything we do. Whatever we do, we like it. It is developed when you ask the right questions, when you go to the source of information, when you don't look at the face value, and you do your research. So, like, it will be developed. So, careers that require critical thinking, managers, human resource specialists, lawyers, marketing associates, business analysts, scientists, engineers, teachers, 360 life. Every aspect of life is touched by critical thinking, and we need to learn it properly. So, foresights are, once you know what you are trying to conclude, you can foresee your solutions to the problems, play it out in your head from all perspectives. Like, you will develop a vision, solution. You will be a solution machine when you develop critical thinking skill. When you learn all these things, if you go through it, learn it properly, go and watch this video again and again, so that you will get all the inputs, and try to make it simple, and ask the right questions, go to the source of information, don't look at face value, go to the ask questions like a child, and do your research. You will develop critical thinking skills. In the future, there are a lot of as World Economical Forum has already said, it is the most crucial and 21st century skill. So we need to learn it properly, so that we can apply in life, in our business, eh, every aspect, 360-degree life you can apply it, and you will be a different person. Okay. Why it is important? It is actually important that it helps you cognitive skills. Like, you will develop cognitive skills. You will have a deep understanding of the subject. You will understand life from a deeper perspective, and any idea from a deeper perspective, so that when you have to make choices, you will make right choices in life. Thank you so much. We'll go to the next video, which is problem solving. We'll learn the concepts and strategies of problem solving. So